Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you often post Instagram stories on your iPhone, but for some reason the music feature returns a "no results found" alert? In this video, I will show you easy ways to fix this error so that you can create a story with a song again. Let's go. When certain features aren't working as they should, the best solution is to update your app to the latest version if you haven't already done so. To do this, open the App Store on your iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Search for Instagram and press the Update button if it's available. Once updated, restart Instagram and see if the issue is resolved. If the update doesn't work, try reinstalling the app instead as a last resort. Perhaps the issue is caused by a software glitch in Instagram. From your home screen or app library, press and hold on Instagram and tap Delete App. Reinstalling Instagram will automatically log you out of the app and clear the cache. This should fix any recurring bugs that caused the problem. After reinstalling, open Instagram and log into your account again. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.